In the name of God, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Rito Ibu and this is episode 77 from the colleges between Matan Safinah and Matan Jurumiyah books. It's great and it's very fantastic to have you here listening, also watching this video. And today you are going to learn new episode or new chapter which will make or which will relate our informations before, because this episode is Matan Safinah episode 34 and perhaps or hopefully Matan Safinah episode 34 will make Matan Safinah episode 33 for being completed, right? So what does this chapters look like? So let's get starting. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allif rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi 'ulumihi fid dharaini amin. Rabbi yassir wa a'in. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. Tabtulu as-salatu bi arba'a asyarata khoslatan ila akhirih. Tabtulu will be breaking down. Tabtulu will be breaking down or will be broken. What is going to be broken or going to be breaking down? As-salatu, salat, or our worship. So our worships or our praying, it's going to be breaking down, or it's in very very dangerous situations because of bi'arba'a asyarota, because of 14 reasons, right? Khoslatan, items or kinds. Our situations, or I mean is our praying or our worships in this case will be going to be broken when we are doing or when we are facing 14 reasons, right? What are they? Bil hadathi, our praying will be broken because of bil hadathi, because of we having hadas, right? Or we are in impurity conditions. This is automatically will make our praying to be failed or broken. And then the next reasons wa biwuku'in najasati, and also because of any dirty which is falling down to our body, right? In lam tulko, but in lam tulko, when we are not skipping that dirty automatically or spontaneously, right? This is automatically will make our praying to be broken too. Halan, spontaneously, min ghairi hamlin, not because bring it up in before, right? This is automatically falling down of dirty from or to our body automatically will make our worships being broken too when we are not skipping the dirty spontaneously, right? But when we are skipping the dirty spontaneously, it's no problem, it's okay. This is the meaning of this one exactly. And then the next reason, wankisa fil awrati and inkisaful awrat. The meaning of awrat is forbidden parts of human being which is cannot be seen, right? This is automatically the meaning of awrat. Wankisa fil awrati, when forbidden parts of human being is opens. This automatically will make our worships for being not valid or being broken too, right? And then in lam tustar, but with one of requirements, in lam tustar, when we are not, what is that, when we are not tutup, right? Sataro, when we are not lam tustar, I'm sorry, I'm forget for the meaning of this one. In lam tustar, when we are not trying to close our aurat exactly, halan, spontaneously, right? And then what is the next one? Nutki and talking. One nutki and talking. Talking also can be breaking our worships for being failed or for being broken. Biharfaini even just talking by using the couple of words, right? Couple of words also can be very very potential for breaking our worships. Au biharfin, or also biharfin, just by one words or the couple of words, both of them, it's very potential to make our worships to be broken, right? Mufhimin, both of them mufhimin, which is giving understanding, right? Any words which is giving understanding. Amdan, amdan, amdan is doing by intentions, right? Amdan is doing by intentions. Wabil muftiri, and also our praying or our worship will be broken too because of bil muftiri, because we are doing any actions or anything which is potential to break our worships. Amdan, we are doing that. Amdan, doing by intentions, right? Awil akli, or we are eating something. When we are praying, then we are eating something. Also, this one can be automatically, absolutely will be making our worships to be broken, right? Al kathiri, too much, eating too much. Nasiyan, in forget situations, eating too much when we are in praying situations. Even we are in forgetting situations, these actions will make our praying or our worship to be broken, right? Even we are in forget situations. Wasalasi harokatin, and also 3 or any movements, right? Mutawaliyatin, on and on. We are walau sahwan, even in forgot situations too. And also something which is potential for making our worships to be broken is thalasi harokatin mutawaliyatin. We are moving, right? We are doing moving, three movement or too much, on and on, right? This is automatically will make our worships being broken too. Walau sahwan, even we are doing that, doing any movements when we are in praying situations, sahwan, in forgot situations. Awil wasbati, or we are jumping, right? We are doing jumping, when we are in praying situations, also absolutely will make our praying to be broken. Al-fahishati, bad jumping, right? Wadurbati, and also wadurbati al-muftiroti, wadurbati, and doing any actions or doing any movements that can be breaking down our worships. Waziyadati ruknin, and also improve in rukun. The meaning of this one is we are adding any rukuns out of the standard of this rukun. Fi'liyin, which is actions, rukun fi'li. Amdan, we are doing that. Amdan, we are doing that by intentions, doing that with intentions. Watakot dumi ala imamihi, and go ahead. Watakot dumi, and go ahead ala imamihi, before the leader goes. What the meaning of this one? Watakot dumi ala imamihi is go ahead before the leader goes. The meaning of this one is when we are to be, right? When we are to be a follower from the Salat berjamaah, right? So we are only permitted for moving after when the leader of prayers move, right? Before the leader of prayer is not moved, so we are not, we are not permitted for moving. So taqaddumi ala imamihi, go ahead before the leader goes, or move ahead before the leader move, it's forbidden, as it's very dangerous to our praying or our worships. Also can be our worship being broken, right? Biruknaini, by the couple of rukun. Fi'liyaini, which is actions, both of them rukun fi'li, right? Watakhulufi, and setting back bihima, by ruknain, or two actions, bighoiri uzrin, because any reasons, right? Waniyati kot isolati, and we have intention to cancel worships. Waniyati kot isolati, and we have any intentions to cancel our worships. Wa ta'liki kot iha, and also depend our worships in everything or in something, right? Bishai'in, because of something. Wa ta'liki qat'iha bi syai'in. The meaning of this one is depend our worships to something. The meaning of this one is like this. When the sky is raining, I will be canceling my worships. This is automatically will be breaking down our worships too, right? Watarotuti and also being in doubt. Watarotuti and also being in doubt. Fi qat'iha, in the execute the actions, or we are in doubt situations for execute. What the meaning of that? For execute the cancelling of praying, exactly, right? Faslun alladzi yalzamu fihi niyatul imamati arba'un wallahu a'lam bishawab.